Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.
हेलो आज we are going to talk about the youth and their problems, how they are, what are the main issues and how they are dealing with. So I would just like to say the world is changing at a very fast pace. The technological and environmental changes have made our life easy as well as difficult. The problems which we faced as a youth or our parents or grandparents have faced it, and what the new generation is facing, these problems are more or less the same, but it has a different wide arena, because these problems are mostly related to people and the social boundaries what we are living with. The social media has so much of influence on our lives. It's becoming very difficult to get out of it, because if you are not into it, you are not a part of it, then you are too laid back, and if you are too much into it, then you are obsessed with it. So some of these problems have been around for quite a while and have been there for forever, but nowadays it is more open. We talk about it very openly, and some of the issues are also because of the lifestyle, with the fast paced life we are leading. So it is very difficult for us as individuals to cope up. So youth is, they are just growing up to the maturity. So what I feel is, the most common issues which I see among the youth is generally the peer pressure, the parental pressure to be the best, or to know everything because other kids know something, and this depression, which is very common. We don't realize it, but we can see withdrawal symptoms in the children. So in the children and even the youngsters. So we have to keep an eye on them. And this bullying, then this physical image, nowadays, because of all these ads, filters and Instagram, we show off our best things. We do not make people understand that you are complete with the way you are. You don't have to mask yourself to be known or to be accepted. First, you have to learn to accept yourself and feel good about what you are and how you are. So that is one of those things. And this, apart from this, because of whatever reason, everything is online, and we don't go out, we don't do things. Obesity has also become one of the biggest problems which we see. And another important thing which I want to emphasize is this materialism. So in this, it is not only the person or even the parents are responsible for it. For this, we have forgotten to differentiate what is need and what is want. We say we give whatever they want, but not necessarily that they really need it. So that differentiation has to be brought at a very early age, so that they value what they have got. Other important thing what I notice in the young generation is, though they are very capable, very intelligent, very smart, but they lose that focus. Their concentration is very short span. Their interest varies very soon. So I feel that this also can be addressed if we introduce them to yoga or to meditation from an early age, because this will help them to focus on what they want to do, because there are so much of distraction. The distraction is even for us, but we have learned to cope up with that. But for the youngsters, it is important that they have that kind of concentration to achieve what they want to. So what I would say is, unfortunately, the youth has to experience all of these things, and some of these things are really very impactful. It can damage their whole life, and these things are so much interrelated that they can experience many of these things at one time. So what I personally feel is, it is the responsibility of the parents to bridge that gap, and that gap can be filled with a good communication, we all stay together, but we hardly talk. We get to know about our children or our youngsters, what they are doing when there is a post on the Facebook or on Insta. That should not be the case. We are the best ones to help them, guide them, and the communication should be open in the sense we talk about our own experiences, good and bad, so that they learn from it and they are free to discuss, which is very important, and that is the greatest missing link. So what I would say is learning begins from home, and we should start addressing these issues right from today so that they have a better future as we are responsible for them. Thank you.